Mastering AWS Security. My name is Nikki Sonpar, and I'll be your instructor for this course. A little bit about me. I've worked in the software industry for about 25 years. I've got degrees in computer science from UCLA. And in the last 5 years or so, I've been working exclusively in cloud, specifically AWS environments. And the last 3 years are specifically focused on identity management and security. My personal technology interests are around deploying secure applications in the cloud at scale. Course overview. This course has been broken down into 5 sections. Each section is used as a foundation for the next. In section 1, we'll learn about the AWS security ecosystem, specifically the actors, meaning yourself and AWS the vendor, and the roles and responsibilities for each actor in the ecosystem. In section 2, we'll learn about identity and access management, or IAM, which is the cornerstone of AWS's security model. In section 3, we'll learn how to define very secure IAM policies. Section 4 will be about network security, specifically VPC, subnets, security groups. And section 5 will discuss data protection, specifically around encrypting your data and how to apply KMS. This class is designed for someone who's already been using AWS and has potentially already deployed applications in AWS. I'm expecting that you have knowledge of some of the more basic AWS services, the ones that are commonly used, such as EC2, S3, and others. I'm expecting that you have some knowledge of the AWS CLI and the console. Moving to networking, I'm expecting that you may have some knowledge around availability zones, IP ranges, and subnets. And for the data encryption, I'm expecting that you have some knowledge around TLS. For networking, I'm assuming that you have some knowledge around TLS, and you have some knowledge around PKI for data encryption. In this course, I'll be showing you a lot of tools and techniques. It's really up to you to decide which tools and techniques are appropriate for your environment. There is no doubt that not everyone will need or want all these tools and techniques. It's up to you to decide the correct starting point for your environment and how you can adapt over time. I encourage you to think of security as a dynamic issue. It's something that you should think about over time and adapt as necessary. Let's get started.